We're at the Huxel World, and today we got a product review for you all to check out. This is going to be a review on a wall charger, not just any wall charger. This is going to be a review on a quick charge, a 3.0 quick wall charger. All right, so let's go ahead, let's check this out. But before we get started, let's talk about the specs. Now, this is coming from a company named Jambotech. We want to thank Jambotech in the door for sponsoring this video. And this is going to be a USB Type-C 30-watt dual USB port quick charge. It's going to be a dual charging device. It's going to be compatible with smart devices like Samsung, the Google Pixel, HTC, LG, and other smart devices as well. Now, you can also charge up like your wireless Bluetooth headphones. You can charge up tablets. We're going to talk about that in a second as well. But it also offers other features as well. Now, one of the things that I really liked about this device, that it offered a safety protection, right? Which means that it will protect from short circuit, overcharging, overheating, over voltage, and it has a fail-safe, which means that it is shut down before it actually causes damage to your smart device. Now, also what stands out about this device is that you get a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test this out for 30 long days. And on top of it, people, if you decide to keep it, it has a 24-month warranty, which I thought was off the charts, which means that you pretty much are worry-free. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's take the device out of the box. Now, what comes in the box first is going to be the wall charger, and then you're going to get a set of instructions that you may not want to throw away. Okay, you all, this is what the device looks like, right? As we look at it, it's a little thick. But in spite of the fact that it is, I'm telling you, this thing feels lightweight in person. So it's not going to bog down if you put this in your purse or if you put this in your pocket. And definitely, this is good to put in your luggage for travel. And you can leave the one that you have at home, right? And so with that, this does come in black and in white, as you see right now. And you're going to get your USB port and USB Type-C port as well. Remember, this is dual charging. And you're also going to get a blue light that's going to light up when you plug this into an outlet to let you know that a current is coming out and that actual device is ready for charge. Now, you also going to be able to use that to find this at night as well. So that's not a bad deal at all. But I know you want to hear about the testing of this device. Now, the first device that I charged up was the Galaxy S7 Edge. It was at 0. It took 30 minutes in order to get to 40% charge. In order to get to 100%, it took anywhere between 1 hour and 15 and 1 hour and 20 minutes. That's not a bad deal for a quick charge device. Now, I know you're saying, oh, it's a small battery, but I also charged up the Galaxy Note 9. Now, it took 30 minutes in order to charge this device up to 30%. 33%, and in order to charge it up to 100%, it took anywhere between 1 hour and 30 to 1 hour and 40 minutes to fully charge the Galaxy Note 9. So I thought that wasn't a bad deal at all. I did charge my tablet up. Now, I have an older tablet. My tablet does not have quick charge technology in it, so it took a little bit longer with my device, but with most tablets, I believe with that technology in it, it's going to quick charge that device as well. Now, this would be nice to charge up your Bluetooth headphones sets as well. So for $25, listen, this isn't a bad deal at all. Now, you can get this off of Amazon.com. I will leave the link in the description down below where you guys can go check this out. But yeah, what do you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And again, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.